enter the app. Click in the right corner, choose your region. There are other countries, European countries, China mainland. Here we choose China mainland for demo. Click the registration. Input your email, password. Click the captcha for sending a verified code to finish the registration. Second way is use the app account, Google, Facebook account for faster registration and use. Here we choose app for demo. Okay, then open the back cover of device. Switch the on-off to on. You will see an indicator. Press the reset button for around 4 seconds till a bub sound. Then the device is okay to set online. Go to the app, click the app, Smart Home. I see it in pairing mode. Just we press the device for 4 seconds, it has a beep sound. That means the device is okay for pairing mode. Here we see the device. Click the device. Choose 2.4 gig router. Here, input password. Done. Click next. Okay, device binding successfully. Then it is online. Click here. The device is online now. In the live video page, we can see the battery status and do other settings like taking a video, taking a snapshot, making a two-way talking, and hearing the sounds. This page, we can see the alarm lock and the recorded videos and audio in this page. In the app, you can also share your device to your friend if they have registered account on the Camera SC app. That's all. Thank you.